Hi, if you need to turn on or off your iPhone 16, then watch this video. And as a first step, let's turn it off. For that, we have several ways. We can either press and hold the volume up and the side button till we see the power off menu appears on the screen and then slide to power off. Or we can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and above the control center you will see this power button which you need to long press, and after that slide to power off like that. Now let's wait for it to completely turn off, and after that we can turn it on. For that we just need to press the power button which is located on the right side till you see the Apple's logo appears on the screen. So let's just wait a couple of seconds till the Apple's logo appears on the screen. Great, and now we can release the button and simply wait till the phone will turn on again. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.